Let's learn about the letter D.
Hi guys!
Show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn about the letter D. This is a capital D. This is a lowercase d. You know how the D looks now. Let's make the letter D sound. D, 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 D. D, 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 D. Yes! D is for dog. D is for dinner. D is for dinosaur. And D is for duck. D is for doctor. D is for dancing. You know some D words now. Let's make the letter D sound. D, 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 D. Your turn.